Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Store download speed too slow in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Microsoft Store download speed too slow in Windows 11, checking network speed. To start, you can go anywhere on the network to check your internet speed. This helps you determine if the slowness is due to speed lapses. Chapter 2. How to fix Microsoft Store download speed too slow in Windows 11 using Resource Monitor. To start, enter resources in the search box. Click on Resource Monitor. Here, locate the app that affects the download, right-click on it and select End Process. Confirm this operation. Chapter 3. How to fix Microsoft Store download speed too slow in Windows 11, optimizing the network. To start, click on the Start menu and select Settings. After that, in Network and Internet, click on your current network. Opening it validates that the metered connection switch is disabled. Now go to Windows Update, click on Advanced Options. After this, click on Delivery Optimization, click on Advanced Options. In this window, select the percentage of measured bandwidth checkbox. Then, check the box, limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background, and set its bar to 100%. Chapter 4. How to fix Microsoft Store download speed too slow in Windows 11 with Command. To start, in the search box, enter the command wsreset. Click on the command. You can see that a console window opens, and after this, the Windows Store. Chapter 5. How to fix Microsoft Store download speed too slow in Windows 11, reinstalling the store. To get started, enter PowerShell in the search box. Click Run as administrator, click Yes to access. After this, run the command you see to reinstall the store. To apply these changes, restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.